All right, brass, this is your warm-up video for today, 3-23. Let's get started with some mouthpiece. Ready? Mouthpiece, 1, 2, ready, go. Again, ready. High, ready. Blow towards your elbow, ready. Low, ready. One more. Great. We're going to do our Remington, okay? So quick review of the notes. We have for trumpets, G, F sharp, G, F, G, E, G, E flat. That's what we've learned so far. Next is G to D. For trombone baritone, F, E natural, F, E flat, F, D flat. And then we'll learn the last part today, okay? Or the next part here. Trombones, you have the easy job, 1, first position, second, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Trumpets and baritones, we have open, 2, open, 1, open, 1 and 2, open, 2 and 3. And then we're going to learn the next one today. Okay, you know all those notes, all right? So if you need to take a second to review them, pause the video and do that. If not, we're going to play these last two measures. This is measure 9 and 10. It's probably easier if you just look at your paper than look at my board, okay? Measure 9 and 10. We have F to C, first position to sixth position, or open to 1 and 3. We have G to D, open to 1 and 3, plus your third valve slide, okay? Can everybody mouthpiece and go like this? Try that. 1, 2, ready. All right, now play it. 1, 2, ready. Pause the video, go back and play that again if you have to. Remember, we need to be saying Lou on the second of every grouping, trombones. Okay, let's do the whole thing. I'm gonna play the whole thing. I'd like you to play it as many times as you need to get it right. Ready? Whole thing. 1, 2, ready. Only 4 more measures to learn. Go back. Now, we're going to do some slurs, all right? So we're going to start here. We did all of these already. This is stuff you know. If you need to take a second to review, here are some fingerings, okay? So for trumpets, C, G, C, open. B natural, F sharp, B natural, 2. B flat, F, B flat, 1. A, E, A, 1 and 2. Trombone, B flat, F, B flat, first position, A, E, A, second position, A flat, E flat, A flat, third position, G, C, G, sorry, that's supposed to be a D, G, D, G, fourth position, okay? And then for baritone, B flat, F, B flat, open, A, E, A, 2, A flat, E flat, A flat, 1, G, D, G, 1 and 2. Pause the video, go back if you have to. If not, we're just going to go ahead and get started. There's your first note. Okay, let's mouthpiece all of this. I'm going to play, you mouthpiece. Ready? 1, 2, ready? Okay, now we're all going to play it. Go ahead and put it in. Let's play this whole thing. Ready? 1, 2, ready? If you were confused at all, please go back and redo that. If not, and if you're ready to move on, then let's get up our E flat mini, concert E flat mini, E flat, all right? Trumpets, we got a 1 flat, starts on F. Trombone baritone, we got 2, 3 flats, starts on E flat, okay? Trombone baritone, your 3 flats are B flat, E flat, A flat, third position for A flat. Trumpets, we got B flat, first finger, okay? Let's go through just these first 5 notes again, okay? All right, I'm gonna do half notes, okay? So we have that's it, okay? Half notes F, G, A, B flat, C, or E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, note name. Ready? 1, 1, 2, ready? Okay, go back and do that again if you messed up your fingers. If not, let's all mouthpiece. Ready? And 1, 2, ready? And play it. 1, 2, ready? One more time together. 1, 2, play it. Okay, if you were confused about any of that, please go back and do it again. If not, then moving on to the next thing, which is chart 8, line 5. Hey kids, next is the rhythm. We're on chart 8, line 5. This is going over ties, okay? So pause the video, take a second to get up that line if you haven't already, and let's get started. So if you're a vigilant observer, you'll look at your chart 8, line 5, and you'll look at what I wrote on the board, and you'll notice that I'm missing something. We'll get to that in a second. What I want you to notice right now is what is the same about every single one of these measures currently. That's right, they're all the same. Great job. Okay, they're all the same right now, but if you look at chart 8, line 5, we're going to add some stuff in. So let's write in the counts to measure 1. This is measure 17 on your charts, okay? So we have a big 1, big and, big 2, big and, big 3, big 4. And what I want you to do is just count that measure. Ready? Count this measure. 1 and 2 and count it. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Great. Okay. Now let's look at the next measure. Where is the tie? What is the tie tying together? What parts of what beats? Yeah, the 1 and the and, right? So we're tying together 1 and here, okay? I'm gonna draw it nice and big so you can see. 1 and. So that means that the and is going to be big or small? Teeny weeny, right? Little and. Okay, so we got a big 1, little and, big 2, big and, big 3, big 4. 2 eighth notes tied together. I'm going to show you over here. 2 eighth notes tied together equals 1 quarter note, right? Okay, so it's just like we're counting a quarter note. All right, let's count this measure. Ready? Just this measure. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Again. Ready, go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Great. Okay. Now move on to the next measure. What parts of what beats it says measure 19 on your charts. What parts of what beats are being tied together? The 1 in the and the 2 in the and. Right. Okay. Good. So I'm going to tie together the 1 in the and the 2 in the and. So we have a big 1, little and, big 2, little and, big 3, big 4. Okay? So it's just like we're doing a measure full of quarter notes, right? This is the same thing as one measure full of quarter notes. Here's your 1 and 2 and. Tie those together equals 1, 2, right? Okay, good. Let's count that measure. Ready? And 1, 2, count it, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. And the last measure, what is being tied together in this measure? Yes, that's right. Okay. The 1, the and, the 2, the and, or sorry, 1 and, 2 and. They're all being tied together. So we have our eighth notes here, right? All being tied together. It's like we have 2 quarter notes being tied together, which is equal to 1 half note, right? So we have 2 full beats in here, all right? So we have a big 1, little and, little 2, little and, big 3, big 4. Let's count that measure. Ready? 1, 2, count it, ready, go. 1, 3, 4. Again, ready, go. 1, 3, 4. Great job. Okay. Now, I want you to go back in this measure and we're going to count the whole darn thing, okay? Count the whole measure. Ready? Or sorry, whole line. Chart 8, line 5. Starting on measure 17. Count it. Ready? And 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Great. Do it again. 2. Ready, count, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. If you were confused, go back and do that again. If not, let's sizzle. Ready? Sizzle. And 1, 2, sizzle, go. Oh, you know what? We're not familiar with sizzling, everybody. Sorry, this is for brass kids too. So I want you to to it, thee it, or do it. All right, so we're gonna go to, or thee, right? Ready? 1 and 2 and 2, thee, go. Thee, 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 thee. Let's do that one more time. I'm gonna to it this time. 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. Now, if you need to go back and do it again, do it again. If not, let's play it. Whole line. Okay. Trombone, baritone, and flute. Play it on D. Saxophone, you're going to play it on B. Trumpet and clarinet, you're going to play it on E. Okay, ready? And play the whole line. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, I'm going to play that one more time with you. Ready? Last time, whole line. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Alright, great job. If you need to review any of that, please go back and do it again. If not, let's move on to the next thing.
Nature. Nature. Go ahead. Now. N-A-C-U-R-E. That is what nature means to me. Yay! Nature! Yay! Yay! Well, howdy do, neighbor. What can I do you for?
Oh, I just need a ride. I'm a wandering soul.
Wandering soul, get right on in.
Oh, well, thank you, sir.
Yeah, get right on in. Go ahead.
All right.
Guys!
Oh, no! Well, guess I'll die here.
All right, brass, this is number 71, donkey riding, okay? Notice a few things first. 1, it says moderato. Moderato, above it, that means moderately, right? It's about the tempo we've been going. We're gonna take it a little slower today because this one's kind of difficult. Notice a few things. We have 3 flats for the baritone trombone, right? B flat, E flat, A flat. Guess what? That's the same as your concert E flat mini, which you just did, all right? Trumpets, you have 1 flat, same as your concert E flat mini, which you just did. Trumpets, your flat is B flat. Your important note here, trombone baritone, is A flat. I want everybody to go through and circle the 2 A flats you see, trombone baritone, and circle the 2 B flats you see, trumpet. Okay, so pause the video, go through and circle those. And they're going to be in measure number 2 and measure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Measure 2 and 6 have an A flat for trombone baritone, have a B flat for trumpets. Okay? Remember, B flat first finger, A flat first finger third position. Okay? All right, we're gonna go pretty slow on this one to get the hang of it. Let's all count measure 1 of number 71. 1, 2, count it, ready, and go. 1 and 2, and again, ready, go. 1 and 2, and here's your first note. Take a second, play that note, see if you're playing the right one as me. Again, here it is. Great job. Okay, now let's do measure 1, note name. Ready? 1, 2, this is trumpets, and F, G, A, again, ready, go. F, G, A, again, ready, go. F, G, A, this is trombone baritone, ready, go. E flat, F, G, G, again, ready, go. E flat, F, G, G, good. Pause, go back and do that again, okay? I'd like you to it or do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, okay, mouthpiece. 1, 2, mouthpiece, ready, go. Again, go. Again, go. Everybody play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Great, next measure. We've got, for trumpets, B flat, G, A, measure 2. Or, for trombone baritone, A flat, F, G. Don't worry about the accent, okay? Because we're just trying to get the notes right now. All right, note name measure 2. 1 and 2 and ready and go. B flat, G, A. Again, ready, go. B flat, G, A. This is trombone baritone, go. A flat, F, G. Again, ready, go. A flat, F, G. Great. Okay, now I'd like you to mouthpiece it. 1, 2, mouthpiece, go. It's high, firm corners, low down. Again, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Again, mouthpiece, go. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, go. Again, go. Great. If you didn't get it, go back and play that a few more times, okay? Measure 1 and 2 together. Count it. 1, 2, count. 1 and 2, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Do I count to 3? No, because it's 2, 4, right? 2 beats per measure. Again, and 2, and count it, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. One more time, ready, and go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Great. Mouthpiece. Actually, note name. Note name. 1, 2, note name, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Mouthpiece it. 2, ready, go. Again, 2, ready, go. Great. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Good job. Okay, play it one more time. 2, ready, and go. Okay, next measure. Count it. 2, measure 3, count. 1 and 2 and. Note name. Measure 3, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Mouthpiece. 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Play it. 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Next measure. Count it, ready, go. 1 and 2, again, ready, go. 1 and 2, note name. 2, ready, go. Again, note name, go. Great. Now, can you mouthpiece it? 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Play it. 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. Okay, good. Now, look at the next 2 measures. Measure 5 and 6. What looks familiar? They're the same as 1 and 2. Congratulations. Let's play measure 5 and 6. You already know how to do it. Let's play 5 and 6. 1, 2, play 5 and 6, go. Again, 2, ready, go. Great. And second to last measure, second to last. Note name it. A, G, G, A, or G, F, F, G for lows, right? Okay, note name. 1, 2, note name, go. Again, ready, go. Play it, play it. 2, ready, go. One more time, go. All right, reverse the video if you have to. And the last measure, we have F, F, or E flat, E flat. Ready? 2, last measure, ready, go. All right. Now, play the last 2 measures together. Last 2. 1, ready, go. All right. I am going to play the whole thing 1 time. I want you to note, name, mouthpiece, speed it up, slow it down, whatever you need to do to get good at it, okay? I'm slowing down the metronome a little bit. Ready? Whole thing. This is 1 time from me. Pause the video, reverse, go back and do it again. 1, 2, whole thing, go. All right. Pause the video, go back, use the little gear option on YouTube to slow it down, okay? Click the gear in the bottom right, go to half speed, you can go to 0.75 speed, whatever you need to do, okay? All right, great job, and that is all for today.